Good morning, everyone. This is Dr. Pushpa, Assistant Professor in Physiotherapy Department of RPIT Campus, Karnal. So, today topic is genu valgum or the knock knee. So, firstly discuss what is knock knee. Knock knee is defined as a large gap between their feet when they are standing with their knee together. You can see here, this is the anterior aspect of the knee joint. And you can see in the second figure, this is the posterior aspect of the knee joint. And you can say the outward deviation of the longitudinal axis of the tibia. Now deformity, the medial angulation of the knee and outward deviation of the longitudinal axis of both the tibia and the femur, and the distal end of the femur and the tibia are externally rotated by the pull of that muscle, biceps femoris and the tensor fascia lata, and the distal shaft of the tibia develop a compensatory internal rotatory movement. The pronated and the flatted foot. Flat foot is the arches on the inside of the foot are flattened. The arches does not develop during the childhood. Idiopathic is the most common cause and it can occur in bilaterally and physiologically genu valgum appear at the age of 2 to 3 years and always correct by the age of 6 years. Now pathophysiology, the mechanical axis shift laterally. Pathologically stress is placed on the lateral femur and the tibia and it inhibiting growth, the possibly leading to viscous cycle. You can see here the MAD, mechanical axis deviation. Mechanical axis deviation is the medial and lateral malalignment. It's the distance between the center of the knee and the mechanical axis line with the normal value of 10 mm medially. Asymmetrical rate of the growth of the epiphyseal plate like tumor or any other infection, and the static abnormality like a deformed femur or the tibia or the muscle imbalance being excessive pressure on the one end of the plate. Now, metabolic or the nutritional disturbance, the malunion of the fracture at the metaphysis. The malunion of fracture is the fracture that healed but it has no healed in less than optimal position. And the developmental disturbance like osteogenesis imperfecta or the chondrodysplasia. Osteogenesis imperfecta is the inherited disorder characterized by the extreme fragility of the bone. And the chondrodysplasia is the defined as a including number of the conditions that are caused by change in the number of genes. Now types, first is physiologically and second is the pathologically. In physiologically, first is compensatory, that is varus, valgus and the rotational deformity of the proximal femur and the persistent anteversion of the femoral neck. And in pathologically, the distorted epiphyseal or the epiphyseal growth, rickets like injury of the epiphyseal and the physeal growth cartilage. Rickets is the metabolic disease and softening of the bone. It commonly occurs in the children, and in injury of the epiphysis, that area located at the end of the long bone. And in the adult, it most commonly occurs in the female, and it may swell of childhood deformity like rheumatoid arthritis, ligamentum injury, malunited fracture or the Paget's disease. The malunited fracture is that fracture bone does not heal properly, and in the Paget's disease is a chronic disease of elderly people by alternation of bone tissue, especially in the spine, skull or the pelvic. And now complication, patellofemoral osteoarthritis due to abnormal tracking of the patella. Tracking of patella means the kneecap or the patella shifting out of the place as the leg bends. Now causes, first is the idiopathic, second is the post-traumatic and third is the post-inflammatory and last is the neoplastic. Now post-traumatic, the fracture of the lateral femur or the tibial condyle, damage to the lateral lower femur or the upper tibial epiphyseal plate. And post-inflammatory, the damage to the lateral epiphysis by infection, and in neoplastic, the tumor causing a growing disparity like a chondroblastoma. Chondroblastoma is a rare type of non-cancerous bone tumor that begins in the cartilage. It can occur in all ages but most commonly occurs in the children or the young adult. Bone softening like rickets, osteomalacia, bone dysplasia, rheumatoid arthritis. Stretching of the joint like Charcot disease, paralytic disease, or cartilage thinning, the osteoarthritis, and the lateral compartment of the knee. The paralytic disease or disorder, and it most commonly occurs in the adult. It consists of a symmetrical ascending weakness that progresses over days, or it is associated with a normal sensation. Now, clinical features. First is patient complain the knee pain, and gait will be limb or circumdactory gait, and deformity of the knee joint, intermallular gap, the distance between the medial malleoli when the knee are touching with the patella facing forward, that is more than 8 centimeter. Now, plumb line test. Plumb line test is defined as a line dropped from the ASIS, anterior superior iliac spine, to middle of the patella, and in this deformity medial malleolus will be outside this line. And in the knee flexion test, to detect whether it lies in the femur or the tibia. And in the knee flexion test, this is detect to the causes of genu valgum, whether it lies in the femur of the tibia. Now, investigations. First is X-ray. The angle format between the femur and the tibial shaft, that is 6 degree. And the lateral distal femoral angle, that is 84 degree. And the normal proximal medial tibial angle, that is 87 degree. Now, treatment part. First is conservative treatment. It depends on the causes. Second is vitamin D deficiency and the calcium supplementation or weight loss and the exercise. That exercise for the strengthen the quadriceps and the hamstring muscles, and the ankle bend stretching exercise. First of all, wrap the band around the closer ankle and you are the most then hip width apart. And third is the single leg bend stretching exercise. When the legs are far extended, then hold for the 20 seconds, then relax. And we can recommend it the knock knee braces. You can see here like this. I hope so understood this topic. Thank you.